Morning. So it's not just crypto that went down yesterday. With rising concerns over inflation and climbing treasury yields, equities gapped at the open and closed the session 1 to 2% down. The 10-year yield is now up at 1.36%. The dollar continues to drop, and then gold is benefiting from the environment and continues to bounce now at 1,800. In the crypto space, we saw a massive correction with Bitcoin starting the day in the mid 57Ks and dropping at its lowest point to the mid 47Ks. So that's a 10,000 differential, or about 16% to the intraday low. Interestingly enough, prices have moved back up since then. We're closing still in the red, but currently in the lower 53Ks. The picture this session presents is unclear. On one hand, massive drop, and that probably spooked a good chunk of the market. But on the other hand, the quick recoup back up, and so an ensuing long bottom wick, suggests that buyers regain control and will not let prices down for too long. In previous briefings, we hinted at lower institutional exchange premium along with some large inflows, so typically associated with stronger selling pressure or at least less buying pressure. Will the trend continue? That remains to be seen. For now, institutions seem to be back in full buying mode. My personal strategy remains, the same that it has been. Pullbacks are for buying, and so I've had orders in the lower 40Ks and upper 30Ks, and I'm patiently waiting to see if they can get hit and if I can load up on some more Bitcoin. If not, I'll happily ride the trend back up. What about alts? As they do in most volatility events, they were underperforming Bitcoin, but it's interesting to see that the Bitcoin dominance index hasn't gone up by much. So with the move back up, alts have regained and seem to be closing only slightly down or actually on par relative to Bitcoin. In US dollar term though, Ethereum, Litecoin, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, Tezos, they're all closing down 10%, with the exception maybe of DOT and ADA, which are holding up relatively well. Some exchanges didn't manage so well that volatility event, and so you saw some ridiculous 75 or 80% down moves on some of those major pairs, and with people erroneously liquidated. Lastly, as a quick information nugget, for anybody who thought that the BNY Mellon announcement regarding crypto was just PR, they're now in talks to work with Fireblocks for their custody service. So it looks like they're serious about this, and I'll be curious to see how big this gets. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility, but also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.